50. Hello everyone, good morning. I am Janaline Alvarado, a third year student from BS Ed English. So today I'm going to present a piece entitled The Power of Persistence. So let's start. The Power of Persistence. Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk to you about something we all face in our lives. Challenges. Whether it's in our personal lives, our careers, or even in achieving our dreams, we often come up against obstacles that seem insurmountable. But there's one thing that can help us push through these barriers: persistence. It's that inner drive that keeps us moving forward even when things get tough. As the famous inventor Thomas Edison once said, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Think about it. How many of us have given up something just moments because of breakthrough? It's human nature to feel discouraged, but persistence is about overcoming that natural tendency and continuing to work day in and day out towards our goals. In fact, if you look at many of the world's most successful people, from athletes to entrepreneurs, the common denominator isn't talent, luck, or resources. It's their ability to persist in the face of failure. Failure isn't the opposite of success. After all, it's part of our journey. So, the next time you face a setback, ask yourself, what if I try just one more time? What if this failure is only the beginning of my success story? Thank you. So that ends my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.